अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। सॉरी भाई, आई एम हिंदू यार।
मारो मुझे, मारो नहीं, ये मजाक हो रहा है।
1 minute यार। So guys, I wondering for a long time what material inside the battery of this mobile. This is our very special and close friend Mr. Subham Yadav. So today experiment very hard and dangerous for us, so don't try it anywhere. So let's start now. I have some indigenous tools. So today experiment very dangerous here. So let's start now.
You have to open it very carefully.
Oh, what
If
is
the
this
battery
here?
of the mobile is too hot, this is a very dangerous work, guys.
Battery is too hot here. What is this? I don't know. Today's video is about mobile battery. Oh shit. Oh wow, that's amazing, yaar. Oh, what is this?
Battery polythene is burning well.
Oh wow, whoa, oh shit.
There is a bad smell from the mobile battery.
Let's see magic, yaar.
Similar reaction battery of the polythene, guys.
Today video was so much. If you like rest of the videos, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.